Now here, people asking one question is called how to create video ads on your Instagram account. So here, all I am creating for my Instagram account. So first of all, I can go to option call is business.instagram.com/advertising. This is a URL for creating for Instagram ads. In this one, you can see the type of ads here. This is a photo ad, video ads, animation ads, for slide ads will be preserved. Next will be stories ads. Last will be collection ads. So here the total how many type of ads will be? Total 5 type of ads. Please note down. First one collection ads. First one collection ads. Through app we can design by only for 3 advertising. Through desktop we can create by the 5. One is collection ads. Second will be story ads. Third will be slide ads. Visual and ads. Today spelling mistake. CAROUSEL ads. Video ads. Last will be photo ads. So in this one, select video ad. So what are my aim is called? Create my Instagram video ad. Just select for create your own. The final go to where? On your Facebook Ads Manager. So if anybody asking that if you're creating for any Instagram video ads, they finally business.instagram.com to will convert into where? For Facebook account. That is called Facebook Manager. Same like paid by the video views, start the Instagram video ads. If people asking for any question, can you create the Instagram video ads? Yes, that's using for Facebook Ads Manager. So clear? If you're creating for any kind of Instagram ads, they're only possible by the desktop through Facebook. Can you create the ads on Instagram on desktop? Yes. The option call is Facebook account.